Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a flower square, which can be used for many different projects such as blankets, pillows and bags. You can find a free written pattern on my website. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this pattern you can use any yarn and you will need a 6mm crochet hook. I've used a weight for a medium yarn called Lion Brand Wool Ease. We will start with chaining 30. In row 1 we will start with a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook and each chain across. At the end we will chain 3 and turn our work. In row 2 we will work 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Chain 3 and turn your work. In row 3 we will work a double crochet in the first 4 stitches and then we will work a flower in the next stitch. I will now show you how to make a flower. Work a single crochet in the next stitch, chain 4 and work a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Now chain 3 and work a slip stitch in the same chain. Then we chain 3, work 1 double crochet in the same chain, chain 3 and work a slip stitch in the same chain. And we will repeat this 2 more times. So we chain 3, work a double crochet, chain 3 and a slip stitch. And 1 more time. Then we chain 1 and work a single crochet in the same stitch as where we started. And that's your flower. Then we work a double crochet in the next 5 stitches. We will repeat this 3 times. So we work a flower in the next stitch and a double crochet in the next 5 stitches. At the end we will work a flower in the next stitch and we will end with a double crochet in the last 4 stitches. We now have 27 stitches, including 4 flowers. Then we chain 3 and turn our work. In row 4, we will work a double crochet in the first 4 stitches. And repeat the following till the end. A double crochet in the flower, and a double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Repeat this till the end. We will end with a double crochet in the last flower and a double crochet in the last 4 stitches. Chain 3 and turn your work. In row 5, we will work a double crochet in the first 7 stitches. And then we repeat the following. Work a flower in the next stitch and a double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Repeat this till the end. And a double crochet in the last 7 stitches. We now have 27 stitches, including 3 flowers. We chain 3 and turn our work. In row 6, we will work a double crochet in the next 7 stitches. And repeat the following. 1 double crochet in the flower and 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Repeat this till the end. We will chain 3 and turn our work. Row 7 until 17, we will repeat row 3, 4, 5 and 6. In row 18, we will work a double crochet in each stitch across. Chain 3 and turn your work. And row 19 is the same, so we work a double crochet in each stitch across. Fasten off and weave in all the ends. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!